Minna no Nihongo Lesson 20 Part 2 Vocab. First, Hajime, the beginning. Hajime kara bunka ga suki deshita. I like literature from the beginning. Second, Owari, the end of Nani Nani, the end. Kyo no jugyo wa koko de owarimasu. Let's end today class at this point. Third, Kochi. This way, this place, an informal equivalent of Kochira. Yukiko-san, chotto kochi e kitte kudasai. Miss Yukiko, come here for a moment. Fourth, Sochi. That way, that place near the listener, an informal equivalent of Sochira. Sochi e itte wa ikenai. Do not go over there. Fifth, Achi. That way, that place over there, an informal equivalent of Achira. Achi ni wa oishii ramen ya ga arimasu. There is a tasty ramen shop over there. Sixth, Dochi. Which one? Of two things. Which way, where, an informal equivalent of dochira. Inu to neko, dochi ga suki desu ka? Which one do you like more, dog or cat? 7. Minna de, all together. Minna de gohan o tabe ni iko. Let's go to eat to a meal together. Grammar point. Third, conversation in the plain style. First, question in the plain style usually omit the particle ka from the end, beginning pronounced with a rising intonation instead. Example, Kohi o yomu, want some coffee. Second, in the noun and na adjective questions, the plain form of this is omitted. When answering in the affirmative, ending the sentence with the could sound a bit harsh. So it is either omitted entirely or replaced by a sentence ending particle to soften the reply. Example, Konbanwa Hima, are you free tonight? Hima dayo. Yes, I am. Third, in the plain style, certain places are often omitted if the meaning of the sentence is evident from the context. Example, Gohan o taberu, would you like something to eat? Example second. Ashita Kyoto e ikanai, how about going to Kyoto tomorrow? However, particles like de, nin, kara, made, and to are not omitted because the meaning of the sentence would be unclear without them. Fourth, in the plain style, the e of the verb te iru is also often dropped. Example, Jisho motte iru, have you got a dictionary? Motte iru. Yes, I have. Fifth, kedo. Kedo works in the same way as a ga and is often used in the conversation. Example, Sono kare wa oishii. Is the curry good? Karai kedo oishii. Yes, it's spicy but it is nice.